I don't understand that.
Autoresponder.
Yep,
Yeah.
you can do it. But this one is not autoresponder. Autoresponder, you can set it like this. You can say when you click on the automation, and anyone they submit a form, you can send them an email. This is an autoresponder. And because you can generate a form from our database like this. Let me show you. In our pricing page, when you click on the self-hosted, when you click on the contact us, it will show you a form. And this form is generated from the database. As long as you submit this form, actually you can set an automation to send you an email saying something, welcome, I have received your request, your demand, something like this. We will get back to you in 24 hours.
I got you.
Yeah. But
so those triggers and those automations, that's directly on your platform. I don't have to go anywhere to get those.
yes, these are the inside automation, and also the one you said if you put the email list here, and you can put like this. When you choose the same email, for example, you can copy paste. You can trigger all of them like this, and then you can set it like this. For example, send email.
Now, will it update the table when somebody actually gets the email and it's read, or?
Okay, in this situation, it is advanced demand. So this one, you need to use the third-party platform if you need update.
Okay.
Yeah. Inside the Airtable, we just provide a simple use case. For example, I can go through with you. You click on the record matrix conditions, and then you will select an option like the CIM database, which is the database we are talking about, and what kind of condition. When the action is, drag this to the left side to see more clearly. When the action is send email, you save it. It will trigger to do the then send an email. And send an email, you can put your SMTP server here and your username, your password. After that, you can set send to who. Actually, send to the email list, right? You can put insert the work email here. So the work email is the one here, the work email. Okay, so you put the send to like the work. You use a slash, and then get data from the CIM database. Which data? The work email here, and then you can put your subject here. For example, hi, to the name of the person, full name here. Hi, how are you? And then the message is markdown format. So you put hi. You can also put it here. Put the name here.
Okay, I like that.
And for example, you can combine them as you like. For example, today is sunny day. And blah blah blah. You can also put something like here. For example, I know as a job title. Okay, as a blah blah, you are busy. So you can make use of all the parameters in the database. And finally, you put your signature here. Blah, blah,
Okay.
blah. Okay.